Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect Klaviyo with Learndash. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. To get started, you'll first need to create a Zapier account, which will allow you to connect Klaviyo with Learndash. Once you're logged in, head over to the Zapier dashboard. There, you'll find a button labeled Create. Click on that, then select Zaps to begin setting up your automation. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Next, choose both Learndash and Klaviyo from the list of available options. Make sure to fill in all the required details on the right side of your screen. I've already connected Klaviyo with Zapier, so I'll reconnect it, but when you do it, you'll see a Select option. Click on Select and allow the connection. And just like that, your Klaviyo account is now connected to Zapier. Now repeat this process to connect your Learndash account. You'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. You'll need to add your website's API key and your WordPress site URL. After entering all the information, click Yes, Continue to Learndash, and your account will be connected. Once both accounts are connected, take a moment to configure your settings as needed. When you're satisfied with everything, just click Publish to activate your Zap. And that's it. You're all set to automate your processes. I hope this video clarifies the steps and makes the entire setup easy for you. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.